Good morning! Welcome to Jayson Tumacas Realty. I'm Tumacas and I'm here to find your dream real estate property. Right now, dito tayo sa Paranaque. So, I'm here standing sa parking area ng 200 square meter lot area, 250 floor area. Tapos, we have a 5-bedroom with 5 toilet and bath, 1 maid's room with 1 toilet and bath. Ayan. So here, we have a 4-car garage dito sa ating parking area. Yan. Then we have both sides na pwede nating lakaran and a garden at the back. Yan. So pwede na tayo pumasok dito sa ating living area. So here, we have steps papasok. So naka-elevate tayo sa ating floor from outside. So here, you can see yan. This is our living area. Very spacious with a lot of ventilation. Yan. Kung makikita natin ang gaganda, meron tayong mga bintana. And at the same time, ang ating ceiling is with ceiling lights already. Yan. So here naman, balik tayo dito sa ating mga stairs. And dito sa ating area dito, we still have a powder room. Yan. Actually, this is not only a powder room kasi we can see meron din siyang shower. Ayan. So, dito sa ating area ang ating sink. So, here, we're going to the kitchen area. Yan. So, you can see here, naka-arrange na ang ating kitchen. Here, we have a counter where you can put your bar chairs dito sa ating area na to. And then, we have a wide space for the kitchen area. Ayan. So, dito yung ating sink. At the same time, we have the overhead cabinets. We have this countertop. And meron na rin tayong backsplash. Ayan. So, very nice ang ating design. And also, in this area, we have an L-type side of counter. And dito naman ang ating lutuan where you have your 4 stoves here. You have the range wood and ang ating overhead cabinets. Yan. Going here, outside, ayan, ito po ang ating dirty kitchen. So we have our dirty kitchen here and we still have a space. I think this is for the laundry area. Yan. So, ito na po. Ang ganda ng ating maid's room. See? We have a maid's quarter here with their own toilet and bath. Ayan. So, very nice yung design because nagkaroon tayo ng enough space for each room to have a bathroom. So, ayan. Meron na po tayo ditong magandang bedroom. So, dito sa side naman, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na pwede nating lakaran. So, ayan. This one is actually sa likod natin. Ito yung pwede nating maging garden area kung gusto niyo magtanim ng ibang mga plants pa. So, actually, this one, tumubo lang to. But they're going to remove this. Pero ang ganda na siyang tingnan and also the space We have enough space. Ayan, so here is our dining area. So we have enough space for an 8-seater or 10-seater dining table dito. So with a nice lighting, good ventilation, kasi kung makikita nyo, paikot, punong-puno siya ng salamin and ng windows. Here outside, meron tayong lanay. So we can still put tables and chairs dito. Very nice ang space. At ito yung another space papunta sa likod. Yan. Okay, so here naman, this sliding door have a very nice and spacious entertainment area. So pwede natin ditong ilagay din ang ating mga guests kapag kunyari may visitors tayo aside from our living room. This is actually one of the waiting area din. And look at the space, very nice. Well ventilated and you have enough space for your entertainment. Yan. Another room here, what's good in this house, meron tayong room dito sa baba. So this is one bedroom. Maybe this will be a guest room or it depends on you. This have also one bathroom, toilet and bath. Yan. So may sarili din siyang toilet and bath. Yan. So if you can see talaga na maximize yung space since all the rooms have its bathroom. Ayan. So let's go up in the second floor. So as you can see, they have a wooden stairs. So dito muna tayo sa area before the bedrooms. See, we have a wide family area in this side. Since here we have a very wide window, yan, so ang ganda rin ng ating ventilation sa area. Hindi siya mainit. It's actually noon time, pero talaga naman malamig siya. And here, this is the space for sofa, entertainment, family and kids area. And these are the bedrooms. Okay? This one is one of the bedrooms. As you can see, this is actually a good space. And this has a cabinet. Yan, meron tayong wide sliding cabinet na dito. See? Yan. So here, yan, we still have the window. And then the toilet and bath. Yan. Toilet and bath have a big space and meron na rin tayong sliding glass enclosure. So it's really nice. Next room. So this is actually the second room. We're now on the third room. Ayan. Still, we have a wide and good space toilet and bath. And this one. Ayan. Meron na naman tayong magandang space and ventilation area, puro salamin with the cabinet again. Yan. Let's go to the master's bedroom. Oh wait! 2, 3, 4. Pang-apat na kwarto. Yan. So here, may cabinet din tayo. Then, we have this toilet and bath again. Ang ganda kasi lahat meron talaga siyang toilet and bath. Perfect. Perfect for your family. So here, this is the fifth room, the master's bedroom. Yan. So this is the master's bedroom. If you can see, we have a regular cut master's bedroom. Meron pa tayo ditong pakembot dito sa ating side. So here, dito ang ating bed. And then we have a good ventilation again. So yan, then this one is very nice glass. You can see we have an L-type glass here. Yan. So may kita natin yung ating neighbors, but still this is a very nice design. Corner. So dito naman, this is our balcony. See? It's a very wide balcony. Yan. So dito tayo pwede magpahinga and maupo pag gabi. Dito sa ating balcony. So this is actually a nice space then where you can see your car downstairs. Yan. So very nice balcony side. You can see your neighbor and your family can stay here also. Yan, ang ganda. So here makikita din natin we have the cabinet. Sliding cabinet here. And also, we have a space for another cabinet sa area. Marami tayong storage area. And look at this master's bathroom. See? We still have this very nice bathtub. Yan. Then we have our shower. This one is also can be enclosed ng glass enclosure. Yan. So guys, nakita na natin ang kabuuan nitong bahay na to na napakaganda, very spacious, very nice ventilation. If you want to inquire and see the actual house and lot dito sa Paranaque, please check on my number. You can send me a message or send me an email. You can contact us here at Jayson Tumacas Realty. Thank you so much and tuparin nyo ang inyong mga pangarap.